That's why
Excuse me.
Yeah.
I have three things to say.
Yeah.
So, number one, this is your dog.
Yeah.
Your dog's gorgeous.
Thank you.
Number two,
Mm-hmm.
your afro's gorgeous.
Thank you. Number three?
You're gorgeous.
Yes.
So, what's your name? What's your dog's name?
Oreo.
Oreo.
Like the cookie.
Okay. Good to meet you. I'm Kieran.
Nice to meet you.
Hold on, are you Oreo or is the dog Oreo?
Oreo. I'm a Lindsay.
Lindsay.
Lindsay, yeah.
Lindsay. Good to meet you. Excuse me. Hello.
Hi.
My name's Kieran.
Hi.
And I had to say hello because I saw you from the distance and I thought, she's beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
What is new? How is life? How are you doing? Nice to meet you. You from like Singapore, Hong Kong?
I'm from New Zealand.
Oh right, I was way off.
Yeah.
What are you up to today?
I just went to Bali like 2 days ago.
It's vacation. I see.
Yeah. Very spontaneous.
Isn't that the way life is meant to be?
That is the
You know what I mean? Because like, here's the thing. So I used to be someone who was very shy, nervous, insecure.
Right.
And I would see people that I wanted to speak to or situations where I wanted to express myself, and I would never do it out of fear of judgment. And then one day I was like, nah, fuck that. Fuck that. The Drake Harvey, what's the worst that can happen?
I like it.
Alright, so can I get your number?
Is that WhatsApp here? Is that what
Yeah, we do the WhatsApp thing here. We even do the Instagram thing here as well, you know?
Yeah. I mean, Instagram's like next year.
Instagram's like next tier.
Like.
The next tier of intimacy.
Yeah, so you know too much about me if you know.
That's interesting because most English women see it like the opposite way around. Instagram is the bottom tier and WhatsApp is like intimate connection.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
I'm the opposite.
Okay, so what you're saying is if I was to see your Instagram, I'd be like, whoa, this is what she gets up to.
I don't
Whoa.
know.
You're like some IG model or something.
It's very private. So.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay. Your Instagram's not full of foot pics or something, is it?
No. I mean.
Nice work if you can get it, right?
No.
Yeah.
It's actually really boring. It's very abstract.
Okay. What are you into, like art and things like that? You look like kind of artistic.
I'm a designer.
Yeah, that tracks. I'm a writer, actually.
Are you?
Yeah.
Like novels? Or?
Yeah, of course. I write novels and I coach men to become more confident.
I like that.
Well,
well?
I like that you like that.
I don't know how this works.
I mean, you enter your number and then press save, right?
So do you do it twice? Australia?